up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Ri Qui.
And I'm Qui, and in today's video, it's a celebration for the entire nation. It's Ri's birthday reveal.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! However, Ri was sick during her birthday. Her birthday was November 22nd. She had CV-19. She had that thing.
Got that thing. That thing was banging.
And she actually just got better. How long ago? Maybe a couple of weeks ago. Yeah. And she literally just opened up her birthday gift.
Yes.
So if you gave me money for her and you like, girl, she didn't even call to say thank you, none of that stuff, is because she didn't open up the gifts. And here she is revealing them. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that down below. Let's go.
All right, so the first thing that I got, oh my gosh, you guys know I love perfume sets. I love everything about this one. And so this I got from my aunt and my cousin, and it is the Paco Rabanne Olympia set. And it comes with a lotion, the perfume, and the travel tube. And I absolutely love this. Girl, smell this. Sorry, smell it, girl, smell it.
Girl, you know I do you want better, girl.
I was like, yeah.
I want to feel like a party. It smells very sexy. It definitely smells like a night on the town with your homegirls. Yes. That's what it smells like. It smells like a party.
It's giving, I'm that girl.
I'm that bitch.
Yeah, I'm that bitch. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to show you guys, and I was so excited to get this, and this is the JBW Crystal watch, and this thing be blinging.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes,
super cute.
I absolutely love this watch. So I'm preparing myself to get, I'm not gonna say what it is, the type of watch that I want, but it's very luxe style. So this is kind of like my practice run.
Her practice watch, because she lose everything, she break everything, or she won't wear it. Like, I bought her a Gucci watch literally years ago, and I've been trying to get it back from her. Like, can I have that watch?
No.
Because she don't wear watches, so we gonna see how this go.
So I'm gonna be wearing this, and I'm just gonna practice. I'm gonna just see if I can keep it, see if I can wear it. But I absolutely love this. We'll do like some close-up shots for you guys.
I do think this is a great purchase. It really is so pretty in person.
Yes. So the next gift that I'm gonna show you guys is so freaking cute. So this is an eyelash collection by Candace. She is on Instagram, and it's the VV Eyelash Collection. You guys know we rock lashes all the time. We're always filming. We used to be out in them streets, but
we in them streets.
We've just been filming. So this, I'm like, this will be great for filming. It's a nice set, and just look at how she put this gift set together.
Yeah, it's a really pretty presentation.
Holy moly.
Hold it up a little bit more.
Can you see it?
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa.
So pretty. And how gorgeous is she?
Yes, freaking amazing. And so with this gift set, it comes with 8 different lashes. 4 of them is like everyday lashes, and then you have the other 4 this very dramatic. It's luxe, it's giving you wispy, it's giving you full. I just love it. Okay. So I just love this set, and I'm so happy that I got this for my birthday. But if you guys want to get this eyelash collection, I'll leave the link down below for you guys. And the next thing, I'm so excited about this one. So this is a Louis Vuitton scarf. So this is what one side looks like. And wait, there's more. Let me flip this bad baby over. Stop.
So this scarf is super beautiful. It has metallic silver on one side, followed by black emblems, and then when you flip it over, it has mostly black with metallic emblems. It is so beautiful.
So yes, I absolutely love this scarf, and I'm so happy that I got it. And I will be rocking this all winter long. Well, the rest of the winter. The next thing that I got is from my sissy poo are my Uggs. So I just love Uggs. I am an Ugg fanatic.
Do you want to tell them what happened to your last Ugg boot?
Listen.
Or do you not want to even talk about it?
So I had these Uggs once before, right? So my sister just like, oh, let's go over our aunt's house. So I'm like, okay, we're going over there just to chill, just to kick it. And her dog, I accidentally stepped on his tail because he was right underneath me, and he went batshit freaking crazy on my boot. He tore my freaking boot up.
I thought he was gonna tear your foot off.
He tore my boot off. He bit my toe. He did so many. He just.
Oh my God.
Listen.
Okay, it wasn't funny at the time because
It was not
she
funny
was
at the
mad
time.
as hell because she had literally just bought those boots.
Yes.
She was mad.
I was flexing on them. I had this color sand. I was flexing on. I'm like, yeah, I got my sand. I got my little purse, my little and the dog. That dog just bit my dog. So those boots I just wear around the house now. So Qui surprised me. She got me the same boots in the color sand.
Well, these are the lows.
Yeah,
she
so
had the
I had the
highs.
highs, but she got me the lows, which is super cute too. So either way, I love the lows too.
Yeah, the highs right now, I don't know what's
They're
going on
sold out.
with Uggs. They just like are nowhere in the high boots. So, yeah.
So I just love these. And I am so happy because she got this freaking bag. Let me show you guys. My baby.
I love that bag.
And I'm just overly happy about this purse because if you guys didn't see our 2020 luxury wish list, I put that I wanted the Alma BB. It was in a different color, but I'm happy that she bought me this because I feel like it's more everyday. Mm-hmm. The other one, I'll put like a picture of the one that I did want, but I'll be rocking this more often. This is gonna be my everyday bag. I love it. She's had hers for a couple years now, and every time I look at hers, I just get the puppy eyes.
Yeah, she do be. She be looking like,
yeah,
I really want that bag. And then she actually wanted the Balenciaga bag like this, but I was like, no, because it got Balenciaga over it. It's gonna get dirty. Cause she wanted the one with the black. She wanted the black one with the white letters.
Yeah. So I'm happy that she got me this one. So overall, I feel like I had a really good birthday.
Aside from CV19.
As far as my gifts, I had really great gifts. That was the end of our video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and out of all of these gifts, which one would you buy yourself or would you give someone else? Leave it down below. Y'all know we love talking to y'all, so make sure you guys hit some comments down below, and we will see you guys next week. And don't forget to stay chic. Chiq Squad out.